Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for anatomy and physiology exams. Start by actively engaging with the material. Drawing diagrams and labeling structures helps visualize complex systems. Make flashcards for key terms and definitions, and try teaching concepts to a study partner. This active recall and explanation solidifies your understanding, making information easier to retrieve during an exam. Practice questions are also crucial for identifying areas needing more focus. Next, employ effective study techniques. Break down large topics into smaller, digestible chunks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Mnemonic devices can be incredibly helpful for memorizing long lists or complex anatomical names. Always try to connect new information with what you already know. This builds a stronger knowledge network. Consistent, short review sessions, perhaps for 15 to 20 minutes each day, are more effective than cramming. Make the most of all available resources. Attending every lecture and lab and taking thorough notes provides foundational knowledge. Don't hesitate to consult your textbooks and reputable online resources for alternative explanations or deeper dives into specific topics. Forming study groups allows for collaborative learning and discussion of challenging concepts. Remember to utilize instructor or TA office hours for personalized guidance and clarification. Finally, prepare for the exam strategically and prioritize your well-being. Simulate exam conditions with timed practice tests to build confidence and manage time effectively. Adequate sleep and a balanced diet are vital for optimal brain function and focus. Incorporate stress-reducing activities, like deep breathing, into your routine. Focus your final review on high-yield topics and common exam questions to maximize your study efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.